1 year ago today, me and my friend George, well, I remember waking up and just looking outside and going, oh my god, it's covered with snow. England is completely covered with snow. It looked like a blizzard. I rang up my friend George and I said to him, you know what, why don't we go outside in the snow? He was like, yeah, sure, sounds like fun. And we spent the whole day out there. After that, well, fortunately, the same day I was having so much fun, realising how amazing my life was, a sad thing happened. Today is the anniversary of Angry Grandpa's death. Not just any old anniversary, the 1 year anniversary of his death. And I'm doing my long-awaited 1 year tribute anniversary to Angry Grandpa. So, yeah, this is Connect Zero here. And that's what we're going to be doing today. Now, if you guys have never been around on the channel or never looked at my most popular videos, well, you probably have if you've seen my channel at all. If you haven't, I have this most popular video called Tribute to Angry Grandpa, Rest in Peace Angry Grandpa, where the day after, which will be tomorrow, 1 year anniversary since I made the video, the day after I found out, due to my friend Luke telling me that Angry Grandpa had passed, I made a tribute video. I got home and I made a tribute video right on it. And the support I got off of it, I just want to say it was absolutely insane. It's my least favourite video I've ever made, but it's my most supported, which is one of the reasons why it's my most favourite, but it's my least favourite, if you get what I mean. It's sort of a touchy subject, but the support I got off of it was amazing, okay? Absolutely incredible. I remember making the video, going to bed with 220 subscribers, waking up in the morning. I only had like 6 hours sleep. I woke up in the morning, I had almost 300 subscribers, about 2,000 views on it, and comments flying through. And that's when it started. That's where my channel really started to lift off and grow. And if it weren't for that video, I probably wouldn't have half the subscribers I have now. Even though Angry Grandpa had gone, I got something good from it, okay? It gave me... I don't really know, okay? It was upsetting as hell that Angry Grandpa had died, but you guys, the people that gave the support, really got me through it. I know it wasn't my grandpa or family member or whatever that had died, but being a supporter for 7 years at the time, I felt like family to them, okay? I felt like family to them. So I feel like I have the right to get upset. And lots of people, I mean, they had their mixed views. Lots of, like I said, loads of people gave supportive, nice comments. Some gave hate comments. Some people still do to this day. They say how it's fake, how I cried for views. I watched the video yesterday, and I looked at myself, breaking down into tears, and I thought to myself, and I even said to my friend Jake, how could anyone possibly think that video is fake? I could not see an ounce of me trying to put myself crying, like put on me breaking down into tears. If anything, I remember me trying to stop myself so badly from crying in that video, okay, that I could barely speak. I was holding it in so much. After the video, I just burst into tears, and I already partially had throughout the... I feel like it's a lot easier to process that Angry Grandpa's death, because I remember when it first happened, I knew it would get more... I couldn't imagine a world where it was normal, where Angry Grandpa was gone and it felt so normal, but I knew it would come, but I just never wanted it to, and it does feel real normal. He is dead, and it's been like that for a year now, okay? In about UK time, at about 9 o'clock he died, so he would have only about 40 minutes to live. If it was a year ago today. And a year ago today, I would just be chilling, relaxing, thinking, wow, life is great. We're going to react to that video now. And yeah, let's just get on with it. I'm not saying I'm going to cry, but it might, you know, get me a bit, because why wouldn't it? So let's go. Okay everyone, so what we're going to react to is a slight change of plans. So I just watched through the latest video Michael's put up on his channel, and I thought I believe there's an actual tribute, of course, coming. Maybe tomorrow or something, but I'm not too sure. Or maybe today. It's just they obviously different time zones. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do for now, I might put up another video actually reacting to the 1 year tribute if they ever do one, which I'm sure they probably will. But instead I'm going to react to the Happy Birthday Angry Grandpa video, okay? And I probably should have reacted to this when I did the tribute to him on his birthday, but I never even reacted to this video. I've seen part of the video, I've even liked it, that's how I know I've seen part of the video, but I haven't seen all the way through, okay? So I'm going to sit here and react to that now. So yeah, it's basically a tribute for him on his birthday, which I never got to show on camera when I did my tribute video on his birthday. And yeah, let's jump into it. So let's go.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
What? What's the 9 for? It's the only candy we had, okay? But we gotta start it over now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, that's enough. Happy birthday, dear Grandpa.
Happy birthday to
I like his enthusiasm.
Well, Caleb, make a wish.
Happy birthday, Angry Grandpa. Hopefully you have an amazing day up in heaven. Wish you all the luck.
Happy birthday, Angry Grandpa.
Happy birthday, Angry Grandpa. We love you.
Hey Grandpa, I just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday.
I hope you're having a smashing time up there. Rest in peace, young.
And thank you so much for torturing Michael and Bridget.
I've taken chances on everything.
Happy birthday to Angry Grandpa.
Happy birthday, Grandpa Green.
Even against all the odds.
Happy birthday,
I
AGP.
roll
Happy
the
birthday,
dice.
dear Grandpa.
On behalf of the AGP Army, happy birthday, Angry Grandpa.
On any deal that comes around.
Angry Grandpa. There's a lot to say about this man.
Wrong,
Happy birthday, Angry Grandpa.
never
Hope you're having a wonderful
slow
time up
me
in
down.
heaven, and we all know that you're watching over us.
Definitely.
I've always loved you,
GTA in the background.
silent but strong.
Hey guys, I just want to say a big happy birthday to Angry Grandpa.
Happy
Birthday, AGP. I miss you so much. We all do. We all wish you were here.
Happy birthday, Angry Grandpa.
It's just that I've made more mistakes than any man under the sun. You're the most sensible thing I've ever done.
Oh, that video. Such a classic. I don't know if you're not meant to hear them on purpose or it's an accident, but either way.
What's going on, AGP? One of your youngest, Ava here, and today is your birthday. And I wanted to say happy birthday. I love you, I miss you, and I watch your videos like every single day.
Hi Dad. Just wanted to take the time to say that I love you and I miss you, and we want to wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, darling.
I really miss you. It's sad that you're gone now, but you'll never be forgotten.
I love you. I miss you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, AGP.
I think it was someone from
wasn't worth the price you paid.
Happy birthday, Grandpa.
Darling,
I really miss you.
this is all I can say. I've always
Emotions have been going through my head like all day. I wish you were here.
silent but strong.
Hey AGP, never got to meet you. I would have loved to be able to meet you, but I just want to wish you a happy birthday.
I used to self-harm and I was so suicidal, and you just gave me hope to keep fighting because I love your angry ass.
Happy birthday, AGP.
I just want to thank you for the love, the entertainment, the joy, the sadness that you brought to my life.
Grandpa, listen, man. Really wish you were here. I feel like we could have got some pretty good videos. Hope you're having a good birthday, man. Me and Mike do some big things together, so trying to look after him.
It's beautiful, Mike.
It is.
I never got done this nice.
Not this clip again, man.
You know, Mike, it's the youngins that got me this.
Of course. I got choked up too, because it's like...
They think enough of us to watch my videos, to watch this old man lose it, to listen to my advice. Y'all are more than just youngins, y'all are family. And I want to thank y'all from the bottom of my heart. That means a lot to me.
That clip, man, just gets me all the time.
I want to say thank you for everything you did for me. For letting me film you.
Never seen this bit, so.
Taking us all on the ride of our lives. And I hope I was able to give back to you the way that you deserved. I hope I did enough. I hope I do enough to make you proud.
Oh, you definitely do, man.
And I miss you, and happy birthday, and I love you. I love you, Dad. I do. And I miss you, and life's never gonna be the same without you. Doing this is never gonna be the same without you.
Watching's never gonna be the same.
Thank you, everybody, for all your videos, because they moved me more than you know. They meant so much to me. Thank you, guys.
I wonder if
I
they
love
ever
you.
saw my video. Probably didn't, but I wonder.
Dad, I miss you.
I always wonder.
And that'll never stop. That'll never change.
Same here.
Goodbye. I know you're tired of hearing us sing. How about some cake? After this.
Happy birthday to you.
I like how they left it on a good note after
Happy birthday to you.
Well, stop if you blow out the candle.
Happy birthday, dear Grandpa.
Just blow it out.
Happy birthday to
Now go.
you.
And that's the end of that. Wow. Everyone, that was me reacting to Happy Birthday Angry Grandpa. I know I would have preferred to react to the actual tribute video, but like I said, they live in a different time zone. They're in a different time zone because they live in America, and I'm obviously in the UK, so they could be putting out the video today or actually tomorrow, so I don't know. But if they put one out tomorrow, then I'll try and make a part 2 video on it, because I would have loved to react to a tribute, seeing as I know they're probably gonna do one because it's only right. And yeah, but you could see, you might have seen, I don't know, but at the end, man, especially when he plays that clip, where whenever I see that clip of him thanking everyone when he's holding the play buttons, it just gets me so, you know, I just can't, no words can explain how sort of choked up it gets me about it, you know. But yeah, so I just want to thank Angry Grandpa personally, and Michael and everyone for what they did, for the videos they made. It was honestly amazing. It was amazing to be a supporter, okay? YouTube will never be the same. Angry Grandpa Show will never be the same. Kid Behind the Camera will never be the same. Nothing will be the same, okay, without you, man. And I just want to hope that, I just want you to know that, okay? I really hope you're resting well up there, man, because you really deserve it, okay? You're sure you might have not come across as the best person breaking stuff for videos, whatever, but you did have a good heart, and that's what matters. At times you had a good heart, and that's what matters, okay? And it's not just the breaking videos and stuff that brought people together. It was your vlogs, it was everything. It's the connection. It was the connection I had with you that kept me watching. And yeah, and I want to thank you guys, okay, not just AGP. I want to thank you guys for supporting me, okay, as someone, as for just the way you guys supported me when I made that tribute video. Honestly, it showed there was light at the end of the tunnel, okay? It was a dark tunnel, but it showed there was light at the end of it, and it really made for an amazing end of the year, even though what happened. Thank you guys so much. I couldn't... There's not much else I can really say, because, you know, it's so amazing. I'm sorry, I'm starting to get a bit... Guys, so, this was my tribute to Angry Grandpa on a 1-year anniversary. Like I said, there'll probably be a part 2 to this for when they actually put out a 1-year tribute, and I'm excited to watch it and make a proper tribute towards this. But this is Kinetic Zero here. This has been my tribute, at least part 1 of the 1-year anniversary. Thank you for everyone that I've met on this by doing this, and thank you for the support. I know I keep saying it, it just shows how much I really appreciate it. I'm just going to get out of here now, and just to prove another reason, here's my Angry Grandpa cup right here, which my friend Shay made for me. And Shay, I just want to let you know, I use this cup every day. Sometimes not for drinking out. I've only drank out of this cup once, but I use it for other stuff, to hold things and everything. So, I love you, Angry Grandpa. You're an amazing man. This is Kinetic Zero here. I love all of you guys too. See you guys on my next video. And I'm out. Happy December, everyone, and almost Christmas. Peace.